Hi there, students. A microbe. Okay, a microbe. A microbe is any tiny microorganism. Any very small life form, particularly a bacteria that causes disease. But not all bacteria cause disease. So a microbe is just a very small living thing. It's something that can only be seen with a microscope. You can't see it with the naked eye. And normally microbes are bacteria that make us ill. But there are lots and lots of different types of microbes. Yeah, a microbe is a microorganism. For example, the organism that causes fermentation, that is a microbe. Yeah, it's something that is a very tiny living creature, and it changes things. We use microbes to make cheese. The different microbes give cheese different flavors. We use microbes in fermentation, in baker's yeast, which makes our bread rise. There are algae, which are microorganisms. So these are living things that you can see groups of them with the naked eye, but you can't see the individual pieces. And these are normally quite simple creatures, and this is the idea of a microbe. Yeah, a very tiny living thing. Yeah, a microorganism that causes disease or fermentation. I think a virus is probably a microorganism as well. A germ, a bug. So the COVID virus, the COVID Omicron virus, this is a microorganism. It's a microbe. It's a very small living thing, and you can only see it with a microscope. So it's a very tiny little thing. Let's see. People have proposed the idea of microbes for a very long time, but I think it was really when we started building microscopes, and with people like Louis Pasteur, that we started to understand more about microbes, or different types of microbes. I think it was the mid to the late 19th century where Robert Koch established that microorganisms can cause disease. Yeah, he found different bacteria in the blood of cattle, and this was making them ill. Okay, so a microbe, a microorganism. Let's see, formality, microbe. 5 in formality, use absolutely anywhere to describe it. And then the origin, it comes from ancient Greece. Mikros meaning small, and bios, life. So it literally means small life. So a microbe, microbiology. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Microbe.